up, guys? Welcome to a new video, and today I'm playing Animal Company. Yeah! Let's go to the office because that update came out. And yup, this is a flashlight, by the way. And I have my trusty pickaxe. And this is full of duckies. Because we need ducks. And if you don't know why we need ducks, just look into the video and look, what are we gonna do? Okay, so don't, if you wear headphones, I would say pull them off and just normal audio, or just to tune it a bit down because I might scream. I hate this place, bro. It looks kinda scary. No gonna lie. I still have my backpack. I'm gonna make sure I do not die. Damn, get away, you bitch! Come on, die! I just stabbed you multiple times. How? Exactly! How didn't she die? How? How? You gotta get up because there's like... Dude, the next spots are so freaking... I think I see one. Just because I'm back doesn't mean you can just walk in and just go away, bro. You're not funny. You're not Excuse me, guys. There could be one in there. That's why I like put it away. This guy keeps yelling, shut up! Oh my god, we're here again. Just shut up already. Dude, I do not want to meet that stupid next bot. Don't you yell, scream. Don't you dare! Don't you dare scream at me. There's a Why are you so loud? Anyway, we could now go here. Please be fast. I don't want to get killed. Okay, here we are. Adult. So first we're gonna put in these little ducks. We're first gonna look if we already have enough. Not yet. Maybe I have more. Otherwise, we have to get more. No, my key card! Okay. It's bad. But hey, now we need a little bit more duckies. And then we're good to go. What we gotta do? We have to go back. Fuck. Because he's freaking annoying. Now I'm just going away because that thing is scary too. Fuck! Why he's so freaking loud? It's insane, bro. Insane. Eat it up. So you guys don't have to wait to see me kill and get. Now I'm gonna get some stuff. Now. Him. Just don't judge me for that. Dude, I'm gonna replay that because my hands were shaking. We need to keep grinding, bro. It's insane. Crap, did I just forget that? Might as well just put it in there. No, wait, I didn't forget that. See, I did put it. Office objects. By the way, that's how this thing works. You just keep this laying here or something, or what do I do? Let's just see how much it has. It's not even full. Just put this in my bag. Go to the and buy an extra hook shot. One at a time, please. Okay, so it's not that smart yet. It's not that smart. What was that sound? Anyway, putting you in there, and then we'll see what we're gonna get. What is this? We got a lot more of these, and they're not even. They're bigger, and they're even smaller. Smaller versions. Heck yeah! Good update. Gotta put them all in there. They're rare. They're rare. Big. So, yeah, it's a pretty good update. For me, I like it. By the way, guys, in here you put all the stuff you collect. So yeah, first get the office stuff because you need a lot of them. And after 1 use, you have to retry again. It's a cool update. You get cool items if you like complete it. And yeah, if you wondered what's down here and if you're scared to go down, don't worry, bro. There's nothing down here. If there is, oh wait, what is this? What code?
Here we go.
Nothing I'll use it.
You know, it's time to raise our sails.
It's getting pretty scary down there, so I'm just gonna go up. So yeah, that was the new update. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right now because it's getting a bit long. Yeah. Bye guys.
Great wide wacky world. Jump with me, grab coins with me. Oh yeah! It's time to jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared. Jump up and your cares will soar away. And if the dark clouds don't just whirl, don't feel a shed a tear, 'cause I'll be your one-up girl. So let's all jump up super high, high up in the sky. There's no power up like dancing. You know that you're my superstar. No one else can take me this far. I'm flipping the switch. Get ready for this song. Let's do the Odyssey.
Odyssey, yes, see. Odyssey, yes, see. Odyssey,
Yes, see.
Odyssey,
Yes, see.
Odyssey, yes, see.
Odyssey. Yes, see.
Odyssey, yes, see. Odyssey, Odyssey.
Spin the wheel, take a chance. Every journey